Hello, teacher Gabriela Cortez. Today, my topic is feminist irrelevant in the 21st century. My opinion for my topic is feminist dance does not work today because the woman speak for the topic feminist. Your arguments always is the work, the violence in the world is illogic in the world. All person, 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. No, I don't know the person is irrelevant to the your Henry. Hello, teacher. Today I'll talk. My topic is feminist irrelevant in the 21st century. My opinion that for my topic is the feminist is irrelevant to in the 21st century because no part nothing new events, no apart in the case the violence in the world. In the world is very complicated because doesn't matter your gender because the violence no I see you gender say attack for person because I pay your pay for action doesn't matter. No is a logic for violence. Is woman attack no is irrelevant your gender. Is very easy attack for a woman, yes, because that person is David type is weak. No specific the person is no doesn't matter the person. The man is very difficult in 1 case, 2 case, no specific. One man is very weak or very is very short. No is difference in the violence. There should be should be smarter and really that they do micro sex, because she told the woman the woman's works more that that no but the man's here more money for work and less time. They should be more serious with what they defend. Easy logic that is must be the majority of the population who would think that neo-feminist does not work, because the feminist men create feminists. Eight feminist is one man. Your name is Pauline de la Barre. Is creator. Is creator that for feminists. They should tell the truth that rape are benefits in many ways, like men. The violence no help feminists is a contrary is bad. The feminist is movement. The person help the other person is irrelevant today, because in trend in 19th century is a really great feminist defend women's attack the governance, the president attack for persons in the power, no persons in in your house, in the street, no persons in the power, no the person in the street, no dance the person's dance. Wow, no is a logic, no apport in the moment, no is a in logic. The violence is very very bad in your marches. Is the example is the feminist. Is the feminist the person the man help your keep your march? No, is she attacked the man? no is logic. They mm, say uh, given the the benefits, you no respect no respect and the derechos in and derechos for